Who is Bloom's tax? Before we go in, also we'll see the background. In 1956, Benjamin Bloom with collaborators Max Egelhertz, Edward Frost, and Walter Hills and David Carswell. So they published a framework for categorizing educational goals. So that was taxonomy for education. What, how do you define taxonomy? So Bloom's taxonomy is a classification system used to define and distinguish different levels of human cognition. What is the purpose or why did Bloom start or initiate this taxonomy? So the main purpose of Bloom's taxonomy is to help educators to inform or guide the development of assessments, tests, other evaluations of students. So now, Bloom's taxonomy, when was it actually started? When has it started? So it was original taxonomy started in the year 1956 by Bloom. So the revised taxonomy is in 2001 by Lauren and the original taxonomy, the one that started in 1956, has three domains of learning. So that is cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. So the cognitive is, as you know, mental skills that relates to knowledge, or affective. So that means growth in feelings or emotional areas, that is attitude or self. Psychomotor relating to manual or physical science or skill. So, as you see in cognitive development involves knowledge and the development of intellectual skills. This includes the recall or recognition of specific facts, procedural patterns, and concepts that serve in the development of intellectual abilities or skills. So, there are six major categories of cognitive processes, starting cognitive development. So, as we have seen, we have six steps in Bloom's taxonomy. There, it starts from knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. So that lower part, that is knowledge, comprehension, and application. So knowledge, we'll see what knowledge is. So knowledge involves the recall of specifics or universals, the recall of method and processes, or the recall of a pattern, structure, or settings. A refers to a type of understanding or apprehension such that the individual knows what is being communicated. Student translates, comprehends, or interprets information based on prior learning like explanation, summarizing, paraphrasing, and application. The third step refers to the use of abstractions and particular and concentrated situations or concrete situations. Students select, transfer, and uses data and principles to complete a problem with a minimal directions. So how can a student use, complete, solve, and apply? So it's a breakdown of communication into constituent elements or parts. Students also distinguishes, classifies, and relates the evidence or structures of a statement or question. Students can also analyze, categorize, compare, and separate. For example, an old capital of Pakistan, new capital. Why? So the student is able to think. Synthesis involves the putting together of elements and parts so as to form a whole. So student originates, integrates, combines ideas into a project, plan, or proposal that is new to him. He can create, design, invent, and also develop. He can combine different types of information to find alternative solutions. For example, he can combine this to make a sentence. So judgment about the values. So we'll be looking at evaluation now. So evaluation is a judgment about the values of materials and methods for given purposes. A student can judge what he has learned, whether it is right.